In 1954, September 8th, Ruby Bridges was born in Tylertown. She went to school at William Frantz Elementary School in New Orleans. When she did that, her parents unfortunately lost their jobs. I think this is a movie or a book, just saying. When Ruby Bridges was in school, she was the first African American to attend an all-white school in New Orleans, 1968. Really cool sculpture. This person should really get a lot of money for it. Cool hairstyle. I think she got it at Pro Cuts. Miss Bridges went on to begin an all-white, high school. Then, in 1999, she founded the Ruby Bridges Foundation. I haven't seen this rock, but it looks pretty cool. Strike. But out of all this chaos, when Ruby entered the school, many white children's parents protested and took their children out of school for the whole year. Miss Bridges was taught by the only white teacher, and for all years she was the only student in her class. But yet, out of all this chaos, she is still alive. Somebody pooped on the wall.